After watching how gummy candies are really made, you'll never eat them again. After seeing how gummy candies are truly made, you'll never ever eat again. Troubling and graphic information. Almost every person worldwide loves candies. But, researchers have actually verified that gummy candies have the harmful effect on your waistline and skin. This didn't stop your cravings, right? Gummy worms, gummy bears, peach rings, just name it. Children of these, and so do you. The following video will definitely kill your desire from anything gummy. Elena Neepkens is a Belgian filmmaker who decided to help the world learn the dark truth behind gummy candies. She filmed the entire production process, so try to watch the video until its very end. Pay attention to the terrible conditions in which gummy bears are produced. The other video shows details about the content of black pudding and rabbit with plums, a traditional Belgian dish. The video starts from the final product, and goes back to the roots of its production. If this video doesn't make you change your mind, opt for a healthy alternative to your favorite candy, and use vegan gelatin substitutes like agar. Pig carcasses are torched, skinned, and boiled. Producers also use the bones, tendons and ligaments. Yummy, right? I got the assignment to direct some reversed audio-visual stories showing the production of some of our food. I saw quite a few slaughterhouses and examples of both industrial and artisan food production. A true eye-opener. Jelly is candy. But only a few people know they're made of gelatin from the skin of pigs. Sweet? Wrote Alina on her website. If you've ever had a vegetarian friend turn down a fruit snack or cup of Jell-O, you know it's because many of those products are made with gelatin. Gelatin is a gelling agent made from animal skin and bones. But knowing what gelatin is can't prepare you for seeing how it's made.